So I was talking to my daughter yesterday because it is Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day for all the moms out there. But I was visiting my daughter yesterday, and since she's had her baby, she's actually fallen on the holistic side of the world. And I love that. And I've always been kind of on the holistic side, not 100%. And she introduced to me a new word, and she's like, Mom, I guess we consider ourselves kind of scrunchy. I'm like, scrunchy? What's scrunchy? She goes, that means you do a lot of holistic things, but not everything is, that we do is considered holistic. So I was thinking about that today when I started nibbling on these, because they're actually delicious and amazing. And they come in a variety of flavors. But I started reading the label because I do pay attention to the food I eat, and I really try to eat as healthy as I can. But I do have an occasional snack. So when I read on here that these are non-GMO and there's no high fructose corn syrup, gluten-free, I was like, maybe this is a little scrunchy. So I was like, okay, I'm going to dive in, and I'm going to add the link below. And if you've never heard of scrunchy, that just means you're on the kind of like the borderline of you do some holistic things and some you don't. So if you're a little scrunchy like we are, go ahead and grab you a bag of these. I'm going to drop the link below, and let me know if you get them and you try them out, what you think about them, because I really think they're really, really good.